Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. And in this particular session, we are going to learn about Amazon RDS. So we are going to learn what is Amazon RDS, and basically RDS stands for Relational Database Service. So we are going to learn about, different, facts about the, databases, why we need RDS and why are we going to integrate RDS. So now let's understand like what is Amazon RDS and what exactly RDS stands for. So first let's understand like RDS stands for Relational Database Service, as you can see on your screen. So guys, like whatever I am actually teaching you, whatever I'm telling you, I can say theoretically. So always I can say look at your screen and listen to my words, like what I'm actually saying, so you will get the each and everything in a very proper manner. Okay, so the definition, if we talk about of Amazon RDS, so it is a relational database service. Is a managed cloud database service actually that makes easy to set up, okay, and operate and scale a relational database in the cloud. Okay, so it is a service for relational databases. And when we talk about relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, SQL Server, so we are having lots of, and Amazon is having its own I can say database, which is Amazon Aurora. Okay, so we are having these kind of databases with us, and we are going to use them. Okay, so we I hope you guys have understood like what is RDS. So RDS is a kind of a service managed cloud database service, and it is very much easy to set up this and operate it, and you can scale this database like a relational database in the cloud with the help of this very easily. Okay, so now like how Amazon RDS actually works. So Amazon RDS works automatically. It actually provides the automation. Okay, so automated management, it actually handles routine tasks like backup, software patching, and scaling. So whenever we talk about the databases, so each and every database is having some kind of routine work, means like everyday backups, snapshots, and we can say like software patching and scaling when there is a increase in the traffic. Okay, so whatever the things we are having, RDS work automatically, and it actually works on in a very automation manner. Then we are having elasticity. So we can say like from the very beginning we are just keep on repeating this particular word, elasticity. Okay, so whenever there is an increase in the requirement, it actually adjusts its capacity based on our requirement, based on the traffic which we are having, or based on the data which we are trying to store. And next we are having security. So it actually provides very high level of security, and it actually provides encryption at both the end. And whenever we are just I can say setting up this, so in that particular manner, like everything, like when we talk about the security specifically, it actually manages each and everything by itself. Okay, so these are the I can say things like which we can understand like how RDS actually works. Now we are having like the benefits of RDS. So the setting up of RDS is very much easy. We can easily use this because it's a very simplified data management system. It actually allows us to focus on application development rather than I can say managing the database, or I can say creating a database in a particular manner. But here we don't need to I can say worry about the database related thing. We need to more focus on our application development. Okay, next we are having scalability. So it can easily scale up and scale down your database storage based on your I can say requirement. Now we are having cost effectiveness. So it is comes under pay as you go policy, and we have already understood about this. So we have to pay like whenever we are going to use it. Otherwise we don't have to I can say pay for this, and there is no upfront fees of using this. Means at a particular moment you are using that, and you have to pay accordingly. Then high availability, because it actually take like it provides automated backups and snapshots, and I can say failovers. So whenever there is anything happened or occur, so we are already having the database I can say backup of our data at somewhere. So we can say the data which we are actually storing in this particular database, or I can say in these kind of databases, we are having the availability of data, that particular data is very high. Okay, so these are the things which we can understand from the RDS. So I hope you guys have understood. RDS stands for Relational Database Management System. Okay, it is very easy to set up. It is very much, easy to scale up and scale down wherever it is required. And also it actually comes under pay as you go policy, means at what particular time we are using, we have to pay accordingly. Okay, so these are the things comes under RDS. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood like what is RDS, what is relational database system. Okay, so now let's try to understand practically like how we can actually I can say create RDS and how we can actually use RDS. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood about the Amazon RDS, or we can say relational database service. We have actually understood like what are the benefits of using RDS and why RDS is important. So that was all about this session. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.